Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a two-way slab design using working stress method based on eStructural Design Taichi found on the App Store. Design a reinforced concrete two-way slab using working stress method for commercial use with clear span of 20 feet by 18 feet and assumed thickness of 4.5 inches. Design criteria as follows. Strength of concrete, 5,000 psi. Main bars, half-inch diameter bar, grade 60. Case number 2 for panel design. The load for a 4.5 inches thick slab is 56 pounds per foot. A commercial live load is 100 pounds per foot. Floor finish is 20 pounds per foot and partition is 20 pounds per foot for a total load of 196 pounds per foot. Use Case 2 panel design. Enumerate input parameters required. Name of slab S9. Case 2 panel design. Longer span 20 feet, shorter span 18 feet. Slab thickness 4.5 inches. Main bars half-inch diameter bar at grade 60. Strength of concrete 5,000 psi and total load of 196 psf. Given Fc prime equals 5,000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, the balanced section properties are as follows. N equals 7.195, K equals 0.403, J equals 0.866, R equals 393. The ratio M equals 0.9. Moment coefficient for short span is 0.048 and 0.041 for long span. Given W equals 196 pounds per foot, S equals 18 feet, moment coefficient at short span is 0.048 and moment coefficient at long span is 0.041. The negative moment at short span is 36,578.3 inch-pounds. Positive moment at 27,433.73 inch-pounds. The negative moment at long span is 31,243.97 inch-pounds. Positive moment at 23,432.98 inch-pounds. By choosing the largest moment value, the effective depth is 2.78 inches, and total depth is 4.5 inches. At short direction, given negative moment equals 36,578.3, positive moment equals 27,433.73, Fs equals 24,000, J equals 0.866, and D equals 3.3. The area of steel for negative moment is 0.53 square inch, with spacing at 4.5 inches, and the area of steel for positive moment is 0.4 square inch, with spacing at 6 inches. At long direction, given negative moment equals 31,243.97, positive moment equals 23,432.98, Fs equals 24,000, J equals 0.866, and D equals 3.3, the area of steel for negative moment is 0.46 square inch, with spacing at 5 inches, and the area of steel for positive moment is 0.34 square inch, with spacing at 7 inches. The short direction shear force is 1,287.72 pounds, with shear stress of 32.52 psi, less than 77.78 psi. The long direction shear force is 1,176 pounds, with shear stress of 29.7 psi, less than 77.78 psi. The short direction bond stress is 143.5 psi, while the long direction bond stress is 152.98 psi, both less than 500 psi. Design results are as follows. Fc prime equals 5,000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, Dimension is 20 feet by 18 feet. Thickness is 4.5 inches. Short direction bars at grade 60. Half-inch diameter bar at 6 inches on center. Bent up alternate at S/4, plus 2 extra top bars at continuous edge, plus 1 extra top bar at discontinuous edge. Long direction bars of grade 60. Half-inch diameter bar at 7 inches on center. Bent up alternate at L/4, plus 2 extra top bars at continuous edge, plus 1 extra top bar at discontinuous edge. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.